Hello, my name is Juliana. My random question: do you have any siblings? Yes, I have two brothers, and they are both men. Sebastian is the oldest. He is 22 years old. He is short with brown skin. He has many moles like me. His hair is black and his body is thin. Pedro is the youngest. He is 17 years old. He is very tall, thin, his skin is white, his hair is light brown. He's very different from Sebastian. They do not look like brothers. They both live with me. They share a room. Sometimes they don't take care of their order, but they try to be responsible. Living with them is difficult because I am the only woman and many times they do not understand me. Pedro is a very serious boy. He is in 11th grade because when he was light he suffered asthma, and that is why we could not study for a year. Apparently he likes to study and work. He is responsible with his. Okay, is responsible with his studies, but does not help with some things around the house. Sebastian is shy. He don't like to talk much. He don't have many friends, and he prefers to stay at home than go out parties. At the moment, he is not studying because he still doesn't know what to do with his life. He feels a life loss. But if you work in a supermarket on weekends, it's cool. They are both my brothers. I adore them with my life. They are my best friends, both very different, but each own white is own essence. Thank you.